Welcome to the Tiny Email Academy. My name is Brandon and today I will be walking you through how to set up your brand kit in Tiny Email. Let's get into it. One of the first pages you would encounter after signing up for Tiny Email is the account setup page. Over here, you are supposed to enter some personal information that will be used to set up your account and brand. For this demonstration, I will be using some dummy text. Now, start with your first name over here. Mine is Frank. And my last name is Newson. My phone number is 613-555-0101. My company name is Tiny Avocado Store. So what happens with Tiny Email when you are setting up is, we have an integration engine that scans your website automatically and makes it very simple to set up your brand kits. If you take a look at my website, Tiny Avocados, my logo over here is an avocado. And if you take a look at my brand colors, you'd see there's green and something similar to a light yellow color. Now, when I enter my website here, tinyavocado.store, the engine is going to scan my website for these brand elements, which are the logo, colors and font. Let's finish setting up the account. My country is Canada. The province is Alberta. And the city is Brooks. I'll fill in the zip code and the address. Before we click continue, let's just check everything to see that it's all correct, especially your website address. Then click continue. The engine will scan my website now. And you can see the avocado, which is my logo, here. This is an email preview of how my brand elements would show. Let's take a look at my Tiny Avocado website. You can see my avocado logo here. And you can see that the predominant colors on my website are a green and a light yellow color. If you want to change the colors, feel free to go ahead. I will change the color for the top menu. And for the text too. You can continue playing around with the colors till you are satisfied. In the email preview section, you can see all the changes you made. Take a look as I make the changes to the button. The changes are previewed here. I will tweak the link color just a little bit. Now that you have chosen the colors you like, it is time to choose a font. I will pick Georgia. And then Tahoma for my paragraph font. If you're not satisfied, you can go ahead and change the fonts until you find one you like. I will stick with Georgia. And then let's continue. Another really interesting feature aside the brand kit is that we scan your website for integrations as well. From here, you can see that it found two integrations. There is the Shopify integration, and then PayPal payment information. We will skip this part and go straight into the website. Start your free trial. Now, when you get into the Tiny Email website, go to Templates. And in Templates, you would see branded templates. This is where all the templates that have been customized with your brand identity, which is your logo and colors, show up. Taking a quick look at some of them. You can see my Tiny Avocado logo here. All the colors we chose for the buttons and the text are showing perfectly here. Now, take a glance at the footer. If you would remember, we entered our company name, address, and zip code as well. All that information is showing nicely in the footer of the template. It's automatic, straightforward, and very easy to use. If you want to change details about your brand identity, say you have a new logo or want to experiment with a few colors, click on your account name at the bottom left of the screen. Click My Account. Click on the Brand Kit tab. In the Brand Kits tab, you can change the colors again, or pick something lighter. Play around with the colors or even change the logo. You can also add links to your social media and your website here. I will add my Twitter link. Get. Tiny. Email. Then add another link for my website. The label will be website. And the link is tinyemail.com. Click Update to save the changes and you are done. Now, this is how you set up your brand kit in Tiny Email. Thank you so much for staying with me on this tutorial and I hope to see you soon. Cheers!